This ebook is designed specially for railway and SSC steno exams. A lot of contractions and advanced physiographics are used for speedy writing. For the convenience of students, this ebook is designed on A4 sheets and it is printable. We highly recommend you practice it thoroughly. You can collect the ebook from the link given in the description box below. Referring to the compliance order dated 18/4/2011, Sri Narayana, the Learned Standing Council, has submitted that the petitioner has not even put to challenge the part of the order whereby his claim for back wages has been expressly rejected, and in absence of such challenge, the writ petition itself would not be maintainable. The rival contentions of the learned councils for the respective parties have been duly considered. The sole claim of the petitioner is based on the fact that the term claim appearing in paragraph 9 of the earlier judgment has to be related to the claim made in the earlier writ petition. In other words, he contends that the claim cannot be confined only to reinstatement of service and has to be extended to payment of back wages. This court is, however, not inclined to accept the said proposition as advanced for more than one reason. There is no specific mention of payment of any back wages in the earlier judgment and order dated 17/11/2009, and as the said order limits the claim of the petitioner only for reinstatement of service. Secondly, it is seen that though there was a specific prayer in the earlier writ petition regarding giving of retrospective effect to the reinstatement and financial benefits, the same was not granted in expresses terms by this court in the earlier judgment and order, which amounts to rejection of the same, and therefore it would not be open for the petitioner to raise the same issue by filing another writ petition. It is an established principle of law that prayers made in a case which are not granted are deemed to be considered and rejected. This court also finds force in the submission of the Learned Standing Council for the department concerned that in absence of a challenge to the rejection of the claim of the petitioner regarding back wages made by the order dated 18/4/2011, no relief whatsoever can be granted. No other grounds of reinstating to the claim of back wages have been urged by the Learned Council for the petitioner, and in absence of such grounds, this court is not in a position to grant the relief in this petition. It is also seen that no review was filed against the aforesaid judgment and order dated 17/2/2009. No arguments have been advanced to overcome the doctrine of no work, no pay. It is also to be mentioned that in terms of an order of this court passed in this writ petition. If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.